In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Google Calendar event and notify guests. Canceling an event the right way ensures your schedule stays tidy, and your guests aren't left wondering what happened. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what each choice means, and share a few practical tips so you feel confident every time you need to remove a meeting. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple calendars. It helps to switch to the day, week, or month view where the event is visible so you can spot it quickly. Next, click the event you want to cancel. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right one by checking the title, date, and time, and any guests listed. If it's part of a repeating series, Google Calendar may prompt you to decide whether you're removing just this occurrence or the entire series. Choose the option that matches your intent so you don't accidentally wipe out future meetings you still plan to hold. Now, in the event details pop-up, click the delete icon, which looks like a trash can. This doesn't remove your entire calendar, just the event you selected. It's your final chance to confirm you're canceling the correct item. If guests were invited, you'll see a choice. Send cancellation email, which is recommended, or don't send. Sending a cancellation email is almost always the best practice. It immediately notifies attendees that the event is off, reducing confusion and preventing people from showing up to a call or room that's no longer in use. If it was a tentative placeholder or a test event no one relied on, you might choose not to send, but be sure that's appropriate for your situation. Click OK to confirm your choice. This is the action that finalizes the cancellation. Once you do, the event is removed from everyone's calendar, including yours. If you chose to send the notification, guests receive a clear cancellation email so they know there's nothing left to attend. A couple of quick tips as you work. Double-check time zones and titles before you delete, especially for cross-team meetings. If you accidentally remove the wrong event, look for the brief on-screen undo option to restore it right away. And when in doubt, send the cancellation email so your attendees are informed. That's it. Open Google